The story begins early in the morning, just before sunrise, when the beverage factory slowly comes to life. The air is still cool, and a quiet hum starts building as machines power on one by one. Inside the facility, everything is clean, bright, and precisely organized. This is not just a factory, it is a place where millions of refreshing drinks are carefully created every day. The journey of a soft drink or juice begins with one of the most important ingredients, water. Large underground pipelines bring fresh water into the factory. But this water cannot be used immediately. It must first go through a deep purification process. Inside a separate section, massive filtration systems work continuously. The water passes through sand filters, carbon filters, and advanced purification units that remove impurities, odors, and harmful particles. Every drop is tested multiple times to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Only after this process is the water considered pure enough to be used. At the same time, other ingredients arrive at the factory. Trucks unload large sacks of sugar, tanks of concentrated fruit extracts, and containers of natural and artificial flavors. Each ingredient is carefully inspected. Workers in protective uniforms take samples and send them to the laboratory. In the lab, experts check for quality, taste consistency, and safety. Nothing enters production without approval. Once everything is approved, the mixing process begins. Inside large stainless steel tanks, the purified water is combined with sugar to create a syrup base. The tanks are equipped with powerful mixers that spin continuously, ensuring the sugar dissolves completely. For soft drinks, flavor concentrates and sometimes color are added to this syrup. For juice, real fruit concentrate is blended in, creating a rich and natural taste. The process is controlled by advanced computer systems. Every measurement is exact, too much or too little of any ingredient can change the final taste. Temperature, pressure, and mixing speed are all monitored in real time. Workers observe digital screens, making sure everything runs perfectly. For carbonated soft drinks, an additional step follows. The liquid moves into carbonation chambers, where carbon dioxide gas is infused under high pressure. This is what gives soft drinks their signature fizz and bubbles. The process must be precise, too much gas can cause overflow, while too little can make the drink flat. Meanwhile, empty bottles are prepared for filling. These bottles arrive in large quantities, either made of plastic or glass. Before they can be used, they must be thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. A high-speed washing system rinses each bottle with purified water and disinfectant solutions. The bottles move along conveyor belts at incredible speeds, yet every single one is checked. Next comes the filling stage, one of the most fascinating parts of the process. The prepared beverage flows through stainless steel pipelines into automated filling machines. These machines are incredibly precise. Each bottle is filled with exactly the right amount of liquid, no more, no less. The system ensures there is no spillage and no contamination. Immediately after filling, the bottles move to the sealing section. Caps are placed and tightly sealed using automated capping machines. For juice products, additional sealing methods may be used to ensure longer shelf life. The bottles are now closed, but the process is far from over. The next step is labeling. As bottles continue moving along conveyor belts, they pass through labeling machines. These machines wrap colorful labels around each bottle, displaying the brand name, flavor, ingredients, and expiration date. The labels are applied perfectly every time, creating a uniform and professional appearance. After labeling, the bottles go through a quality inspection stage. High-speed cameras and sensors scan each bottle to detect any defects. If a bottle is underfilled, overfilled, improperly sealed, or mislabeled, it is automatically removed from the line. Workers also perform random manual checks to ensure everything meets the highest standards. Once approved, the bottles are grouped and packaged. Depending on the product, bottles may be packed into plastic wraps, cartons, or trays. Machines quickly organize them into packs of 6, 12, or more. The packaging process is fast and efficient, yet carefully controlled. These packaged drinks are then transferred to the storage area. Large warehouses inside the factory hold thousands of finished products. The environment is controlled to maintain freshness and quality. From here, the beverages are ready to be shipped. Outside the factory, delivery trucks are lined up, waiting to be loaded. Workers and automated systems load the packaged drinks onto trucks, ensuring they are arranged safely for transport. Soon, these trucks will carry the beverages to supermarkets, shops, and restaurants across cities and towns. But the factory never truly stops. As one batch is completed, another begins. The entire process runs continuously, day and night, to meet the high demand for beverages. Behind every bottle is a combination of advanced technology, skilled workers, and strict quality control. In another section of the factory, research and development teams are constantly working on new flavors. They experiment with different combinations, testing taste, aroma, and color. Their goal is to create drinks that people will love, refreshing, exciting, and unique. Sustainability is also an important part of modern beverage production. Many factories now focus on reducing waste and saving energy. Water used in cleaning is often treated and reused. Packaging materials are designed to be recyclable. Energy-efficient machines help lower the factory's environmental impact. Safety is a top priority at every step. Workers wear protective clothing, and strict hygiene rules are followed. The factory environment is kept extremely clean to prevent contamination. Regular audits and inspections ensure that all standards are maintained. As the day progresses, the factory becomes even more active. The sound of machines, the movement of conveyor belts, and the coordination between different sections create a rhythm that never slows down. It is a perfect blend of human effort and machine precision. By evening, thousands upon thousands of bottles have been produced. Each one carries the promise of refreshment. Whether it is a fizzy soft drink on a hot day or a healthy fruit juice in the morning, these beverages are now ready to reach people everywhere. As night falls, the factory lights continue to shine brightly. The production lines keep moving, ensuring that the supply never stops. For the workers and machines inside, it is just another day of creating something that millions of people enjoy. From a simple drop of water to a perfectly sealed bottle, the journey is long and complex. But every step is carefully designed to deliver quality, taste, and satisfaction. This is the complete story of how beverages are made, from start to finish, from raw ingredients to the final product in your hand.